Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to deactivate or cancel your Zoho Mail subscription plan in 2025 the right way without losing your account. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss the part about downgrading to the free plan instead of deleting everything. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for mailadmin.zoho.com. Now, once you search for this query, you will be landed here on this page where you will have to simply provide your Zoho admin credentials and you need to just log in into your account. Now, if you click on the pricing option over here, and if you have subscribed to the Zoho Mail, you need to click on Access Zoho Email, and it will redirect you here in your admin dashboard. Now, over here in the left hand section itself, you will be able to see your subscription plan. So, click on the subscription plan, and this will take you to the Zoho payment page where your current plan will be listed. So you need to find your Zoho Mail plan and click on the manage option. After clicking on the manage option, you can either change the plan, or if you want to cancel it, you can definitely do it. So if you want to stop billing, choose the option of free plan to downgrade your free plan, or if you want to deactivate it fully, you can also cancel your subscription. You may be asked to confirm your decision, so follow the prompt in order to finalize it. After deactivation, Zoho will retain your data for a limited time, so you can reactivate anytime during this period. So if you are switching the tools, make sure that you export your emails and contacts first. So this way you will be able to deactivate your plan on Zoho Mail in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.